Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fill the zakat return in zakat website portal. Like you have to submit zakat for 2020 year 2020. So what are the information needed for the companies to fill up? So you have to do in zakat portal. So let's start. This is the zakat website and you need to make login in this website. So I have made already the login. So we will go to our Zakah portal. This is the home page of Zakah. Okay. So here from the home page there are some general services, correspondence and other services, and here you will be having Zakat. Here you have value added tax, but I am gonna share with you the information about Zakat, how the companies are filling their zakat submission in zakat portal. So we will click on here returns of zakat or income tax. Here, as our company has submitted already this year 2019 zakat, so the return period started from 28 April. So this company started on 28 April 2019. That's why the zakah started from this period to 31st December 2019. So we already have filled this one. So I'm gonna show you that what are the information you need to fill up when you are going to submit your zakah. So we will click on this. If you are going to submit a new for the new year zakat, so that will also appear here, like this is already submitted. So for our 20 year 2020, it is not showing here, but when it will appear, when our certificate is going to expire or the due date is coming for 2020 submission, there is one more return form will appear here. Okay, so that one we will submit. But for the information, what are the information we need to submit now, you can, I will click here now, and this is already all the filled information we have here. Here the terms and conditions, you have to agree on all these terms and conditions and you need to press on next, and after that the basic information of the company. Okay, after that the income statement. These two options are the basic. Here will be your company's information. I'm not going to disclose my company information. So here is the basic information, here income statement. So this is the information you need to fill up. So income statement here, it is a Saudi shareholder capital percentage. Yes, this is a Saudi company, so 100% Saudi shareholder capital. Saudi shareholder profit, that's 100%. You have to fill up this information. Starting date, number of days in the financial year, 265 days should be here if you are an existing company. So here non-Saudi shareholders if you have, or here non-Saudi profit percentage if you have any. So ending date of this zakat submission is 31st December 2019. So let's go further. Income from operational activity we need to fill up here, like income from operational activity. This is the total sales of the full year you need to mention here. Income from insurance if you have, you can put here. Income from contracts if you have, put here, or otherwise this is enough for you. So total income from the activities means total sales of the company. So do you have other income or gain or losses? If you have other income or gains or losses, you can click on yes, and there will be additional dialog box you need to fill up. So the total sales of the company is this much. So cost and expenses you have to mention all here, like cost of goods sold, inventory if you have opening balance, put it here. External purchase means like imports, and internal purchase means domestic purchase. Okay, inventory ending balance if you have. Okay, so cost of goods sold will be this much. This is the total of these values. Now here you need to fill up the expenses, like subcontractors if you have any of the values you can put here. Machinery and equipment rentals if you have applicable, press on applicable and fill the information. Repair and maintenance expense basic salaries and housing allowances, other employees benefits, like if you are paying any benefits other than housing allowance or basic salaries, you have to fill up here. Social insurance for Saudis, the GOSI for Saudis and non-Saudis should be separated. Provision made during the year, if you have any of the provision you made like bad debts provision or any other provision, like electricity bill provision, so you have to mention here. Royalties, technical services, consultancies and professional fees. This is the auditor fees or any professional fees. If you are getting any lawyer fees or any other fees, so you can mention here. Donations you can mention here. Book depreciation you have to mention here, the depreciation yearly for your assets. Research and development expenses and other expenses, total expenses will be here. So total expenses and cost of goods sold. So this expense and plus the cost of goods sold expense. So these are the net operating expense. Okay. So here the Zakat department will automatically calculate your net profit or loss. Okay. Then the next column, when you will press next, then you will go to adjustments. If you will be having adjustment on net profit, you can put here at the previous year if you got any mistake or any adjustment you want to make in the net profit value, so you can make it applicable and you can put the value here. Provisions loaded on accounts for the period, if applicable you have to make it. It is applicable as we have mentioned here, the provision 5689. So here adjustments 5689 for the provision. Okay. So total zakat adjustments will be 5689 from the zakat. So this value has been deducted from the value of net profit. So 157 will be the net adjustable profit for the company. Now in the next field, when you click next, there will be zakat calculator. So the zakat calculations will come here, like the capital of the company, which is mentioned on the CR 25,000. If you have any retained earning, like aggregation of your profit every year goes to the retained earning, you need to mention here. Zakat net adjusted profit or loss for this year you have to mention here. Okay. Provisions, if applicable, we already done in the adjustment, so no need to mention here. Okay. So loans and the equivalents, if you have loans from any bank, you need to mention here as applicable. Fair value changes, other liabilities and equities items, like if you have any liabilities like accounts payable or long-term liabilities, so you have to mention here. Other additions, if there are some receivables which are with the other clients or with someone else you have given the loans, you need to make it here. So total deductions 5327 here. The deductions are net fixed assets, you have to mention here your fixed assets. Investment out of territory, out of the country, if you have made any investment. Investment in local companies here in Saudi Arabia. Adjusted carried forward loss, if you are having a loss in the previous period, that will be here applicable. If you have properties and projects under development for selling purpose, if you have any properties like you have a land, building, so you need to mention here. Other zakat deductions, I don't know what is that, but that is not necessary. So total deductions this much, and total zakat base 176,965, zakat base 176,965 as the total of this after adjustments, and zakat calculation will be after that. Total, where we are here, zakat or investment or internal activities, we don't have this one, I don't know what is this. So zakat total payable will be 4,276. So this is the 2.5% of 176,965. After that there are balance sheet items. So assets, you have to mention here the current assets, cash, account receivables, and here due from the related parties like partners, if they have invested or if they had withdrawn, you have to mention here. Other current assets, any other current asset like prepaid rents and other like loans from the employees you have given, so you have to mention here. So total current assets, and here net non-current asset like fixed assets, you have to mention the book value of fixed assets here. Establishment expense, other non-current assets, construction in progress, these are if you have non-current asset you can mention here. Intangible assets, if you have, you can mention here. You have to just fill up this information also. So here, transfer pricing, do you have any related party transactions? We don't have. Are you part of NMEP group? So these are just not necessary things. So you have to click on no. So at the end you will be having a summary that this much is payable, your bill Sadat number is this much, download invoice, and you can pay by the bank. So these are all the informations you have to fill up while making the zakat submission. I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe our channel as it keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.